back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do the everyday makeup look. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a makeup guru. I don't know anything about makeup onti lang. So don't judge me if I'm doing it wrong. If you wanna achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with this. Nakanano ako, I'm so sorry. So first, gagamitin ko yung baby skin. If you guys are wondering bakit lagi ako nakatingin dito, dito kasi yung malaking mirror. Tapos, on my everyday makeup, I don't use foundations. I only use concealer. I use this Fit Me concealer. Under eyes. Tsaka sa mga dark spots ko. Dami kasi kailangan i-conceal eh. Ang daming pangit. So, I'm just gonna blend it with a beauty blender. Sa everyday makeup ko, hindi kasi ako nag-eyeshadow kasi hindi naman ako marunong. So, magmumukha lang ako sama. Ayoko kasi na masyadong mabigat sa face. So, itong everyday makeup look, hindi siya everyday. Kasi hindi naman ako everyday nagbe-makeup. So, pag umalis ako. So, ito yung makeup. Next is the... Ano bang next? I'll use this AOA Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. So, it's a primer pero parang gagamitin ko siya as highlighter. Sige. Ay, ang dami. Turn on. Set ko muna yung concealer na nilagay ko by using this Dreams Satin Skin from Maybelline. And I'm in the shade Natural. So, yung nilagay na illuminating primer, lalagyan natin siya ng baked highlighter. This is from Detail. Tapos yung ibang makeup pala, hindi to sa akin, nakakulot sa ate. Kasi wala akong makeup na sarili. Because ba't ako bibili kung hindi naman ako marunong, diba? The tint. I use this Tony Moly tint. I usually put tint dito lang sa may medyo loob para may pag-gradient effect. Lagyan lang tayo dito na konti. Oh my gosh. Make sure mabilis kayo mag-blend kasi yung ibang tint, agad siya. So, tapos, uso-uso yung drunk blush ngayon. So, maglalagay din tayo ng medyo sa nose. Then, kung medyo makapal, papatungan lang ulit natin siya na powder. Kapag everyday makeup ko, naglalagay lang ako ng highlighter if I'm feeling extra that day. I don't put some eye makeup, pero I curl my lashes. This is my favorite part kasi parang iba talaga yung mukha mo kapag kinurl mo yung lashes mo. So, by the way, I use this Detail Flutter Lengthening and Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. Actually, yung iba kay Mami din. So, kung napanood nyo yung 300 gift something video ko, makikita nyo. So, madalas, after ko lagyan ng mascara, kinacurl ko ulit siya. Kasi, gusto ko lang. Ba't ba? Tapos, dinadoble ko. So, next is the eyebrows. Because eyebrows are light. So, I use this Nichido. It's actually eye pencil. I use it here. In the shade siya. So, sinishape ko lang siya. Then, fini-fill out ko lang yung mga part na walang So, after that, we'll just blend it with a spoolie. Alam niyo ba, nag-try ako mag-video ng full-on makeup look. Pero, it turned out to be so cringy. So, blend lang natin siya. And we're done. So, this is the final look. Nakalimutan ko pala, nag-post pala ako sa Twitter na gagawin ko tong everyday makeup look plus 20 something let's see kung may nagtanong. So, kung wala, edi wala. Hindi kami kayo pinipilit. What's the most embarrassing thing your parents have caught you doing? Wala naman. Wala naman akong ginagawang hindi ko alam. Pero wala. Next, saan ka mag-senior high school? So yung parents ko pinagpapalanuhan sa San Beda since ayaw nila ako mapalayo. Wow, mapalayo. Pero hindi pa ako enrolled kaya ano pang ginagamit yung pang pag-film and editor. Yung pag-film, minsan phone, minsan yung camera. Editor is yung Cyberlink Power Director. Yun lang naman. Kalimutan ko kasi. So, before I end this video, mag-shoutout muna ako kay Michael Coronado, kay Alexander Olympia kasi nag-comment sila sa previous video ko. So, ayun lang naman. I hope you guys like this video and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles!